So see a little bit, but it's not finalised. I haven't finalised it yet. But yeah, see what it likes. Cause it's gonna take me a few hours to get everything in position. But I might try and look for some cotton thread and try and go with some cotton thread and see what that looks like. But yeah, I can see some of the, you know, I suppose if it was on a white fabric, against the white fabric, like a curtain, that's got a bit of transparency, but not too much. I don't know. I think the review on this type, it's not the fault of the the fibre optic in that it's got to be primarily the light source. So maybe I haven't got it aligned on the wasset. Maybe I'm slightly out of alignment and it's not giving a proper light flow through the fibre optics, because if you get a good light flow going through a fibre optic, it's going to look good on either end, you know, like a, you know. So it's on a sound activation at the moment, so I'm not sure what the sensitivity on the sound activation is, and it's probably only a mono, so it's not going to do stereo colour effect sort of dancing around. That'd probably take a little bit more of sophistication. Yeah, that's switched on automatically. What's going on? So it looks very hot with the, that's by far the coolest logo. It's a little bit hot with the colour there, because they need to be, my idea of the whole thing is have it a bit more so it's uniform. So it's probably like having a lot more of these and having them, because I wanted to do them vertically, but the cable length just wasn't enough. I would have to have two of these and put it sort of maybe anchor it somehow to the top, but there's not enough room there, and want it to be too near to the HF horns, and it'd be in the way of the HF horns. So kind of had to sort of like come up with a compromise, which is, you know, like anything, you got to compromise. I think it looks cool there with the leopard and the light activating with the sound there. Let me try another mode.